The 2007 Saab 9-3. The Saab 9-3 has a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine that is powerful and smooth. Expect 23 miles per gallon overall on the sedan using regular fuel and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, air conditioning, 4-wheel ABS, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.